how to fix the color. Now we will learn how to fix the color of a design. So for that, for this design, I am simply making this design with 4 or 5 color. My goal is to make it with 4 or 5 color. So just trying to follow that process. As you can see, till now we have covered the 3 colors, and maybe we have also found one more color, and that is like this color or this, whatever you say. And after that we can also add one more color. Sorry, um, now you can use one more color. I think just find it out if there is any, and I don't find anything like that that we need that color. So maybe we can go with these 4 colors, and maybe not. We need to adjust some colors, like there was a gray color, or brighter blue color, so that no, I think we are happy with the 4 color. Let's just use the magic wand tool and tolerance 8, and use the eyedropper tool to adjust this. Press keyboard button Ctrl 2 once you are done with the press keyboard button Ctrl and 2. Press keyboard button Ctrl and 2. Press keyboard button Ctrl and 2. And this is how we have completed our step 1. Now make it 16, tolerance 16, and do the same process again. Pick it with eyedropper tool and do it, and now again do the same thing, repeat and repeat. And as you can see that the designs are mainly for this part, so I'm not going to change this color and making it as it is. And now for this one, okay, now for this color again doing the same, Ctrl 2. For white part, if there is different than white, just fill it with the expected color. And now keep the orange color, keep this color, again doing the same with the 32 tolerance, Ctrl 2, Ctrl 2, Ctrl 2, Ctrl 2. And now doing it with the 40 tolerance. We will continue this until we don't find anything related to that. And if we follow the 8, 16, 24 design process, we will see our design more professional. So this is about making the design more professional, and making the design more professional takes time. So must keep that in mind. And maybe we will now not don't see any color of this. And last one is 56 for me till now, and I feel like there is a color here. So just make it and control 2, and after making it just go like this and delete and see if there is any changes. And if I show you what I deleted, just I selected a line and it did the magic wand tool, and you can see I just deleted the lines were in this. And now uh, just time to complete the design. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. uh, we will get back with newer video soon. Thank you so much.